chef, create treats so tasty.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Joe Chef TV. Today we're diving into the amazing world of kimchi and why everyone should be eating it. This traditional Korean dish is not just delicious, it's also packed with health benefits. So let's explore why kimchi deserves a spot on your plate. First off, let's talk about probiotics. Kimchi is a fermented food, which means it contains live bacteria that are great for your gut health. Probiotics help balance the microbiome in your digestive system, supporting better digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut can even enhance your mood and boost your mental health. Next, kimchi is low in calories but high in nutrients. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber. This makes it a fantastic addition to any meal without adding excess calories. If you're looking to manage your weight, adding kimchi to your meals can help you feel full longer thanks to its fiber content. Speaking of weight management, studies suggest that fermented foods like kimchi may help reduce body fat and combat obesity. The fermentation process increases the bioavailability of nutrients and can enhance metabolic functions. So incorporating kimchi into your diet could be a smart choice if you're looking to maintain a healthy weight. Now let's touch on the immune system. Kimchi is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that support immune health. The spices commonly used in kimchi, like garlic and ginger, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help strengthen your immune response. A strong immune system is essential, especially during cold and flu season. Another great benefit of kimchi is its versatility. You can enjoy it as a side dish, in fried rice, or even in soups and stews. It adds a unique flavor and a nutritional boost to any meal. Plus, making your own kimchi at home allows you to control the ingredients and make it as healthy as you like. And let's not forget that kimchi is incredibly affordable and easy to make. With just a few common ingredients, you can create your own batch at home, ensuring it's fresh and tailored to your taste. There are countless variations, so you can experiment with different vegetables and spices. So if you haven't tried kimchi yet, now is the perfect time to start. With its numerous health benefits, including probiotics, weight management, and immune support, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Don't forget to subscribe for my healthy recipes and tips.